Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am doing my lunch meal prep for the week, and I am doing a keto chicken parmesan with mashed cauliflower instead of mashed potatoes. So super healthy this week, super low carb. I have my chicken, and I'm gonna bread the chicken first in almond flour and then these keto breadcrumbs. So good. They're already seasoned with Italian seasoning. I have my no sugar added Prego pasta sauce that I will use for this, my grated Parmesan cheese, and some mozzarella cheese as well. And then I'm gonna add all kinds of goodies into the mashed cauliflower, anything that you would add with mashed potatoes. So I have some heavy whipping cream and a little bit of sour cream, also some butter, and so good. So I'm gonna get this all made up. If you're new to my channel and you are looking for some meal prep inspiration, some meal prep motivation, I have tons of lunch meal prep ideas. I have a whole playlist of lunch meal prep videos, so go check those out. Make sure you click subscribe and check back every Saturday for my lunch meal prep of the week. Something new each week, so definitely don't get sick of having the same meal every day, every week. I love to mix it up. So for this week, I'm gonna get this chicken parmesan keto version all cooked up. I'm gonna get the chicken cooking first. So I have my 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to fly it open, so basically cut it down through the center to make some thinner pieces of chicken. And then I'm gonna cut them again to make each chicken breast into 4 pieces. These are really big chicken breasts, so definitely depends on the size of your chicken breast, but I'm gonna cut these a little bit smaller. I think they cook a lot better, and it just makes it so much yummier. So after the chicken's cooked, I will get it ready with all the breading. So I have my almond flour. I have 2 eggs that I've kind of mixed scrambled on my plate. And then I have my keto breadcrumbs. These are really good, keto friendly, and give such a good flavor and a good crunch for the breading for these. So it already has some Italian seasoning in it and just really yummy. I'm gonna add in also some Parmesan cheese to the breadcrumbs, and then I will mix all of that together for the coating for the chicken. So I'm gonna take each piece of chicken, I will add it first into the almond flour, then into the egg, and then into the breadcrumbs, and I will repeat until I have all of the chicken all coated with all of the delicious almond flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. So I love doing keto low carb recipes. I have a whole playlist on my lunch recipes that I have for my meal prepping, so check that out. I will link it in the description box, and I'll also put it at the end of this video. But if you need some inspiration for some lunch meal prepping, even dinner meal prepping, these are all can be doubled for dinner as well. But tons of ideas on there for you, so go check out that playlist when you have a chance. So this part is a little messy, but that's okay. And that's one thing that I really love about meal prepping is that I can make a big mess in my kitchen, clean it up, and then I have meals all ready to go, and I don't have to pull out all the things to cook with every single meal. So that's another reason why I absolutely love meal prepping, besides that it helps me keep on track and keep nice and healthy and organized. But definitely I love the fact that I don't have to cook every single day also. I can just heat up whatever meal I have meal prepped. So I have all my chicken all breaded. I'm adding an olive oil into my pan on the stove, and I will add the chicken in once it's heated, once the oil's heated a little bit, and then I will cook these on both sides. And since they're a little bit thinner, they don't take that long, probably about 5 to 6 minutes per side, but I will watch them as they cook and flip them when they're about halfway done. So they're about halfway, you can tell, so I'm gonna flip these over and then they will cook on the other side. So now that the chicken is cooked on both sides and ready to go, I'm going to add in my no sugar added Prego spaghetti sauce. I'm just going to add a couple of spoonfuls on top of each piece of chicken. And then I'm going to add on my shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to put the lid on to my pan and let these steam so that the cheese is nice and melted on top of each piece of chicken. These are so yummy, and this breading really comes out absolutely perfect on this chicken. So now I'm going to make my cauliflower. I have all the cauliflower pieces. This is going to steam in my steamer basket for about 8 minutes. The cauliflower is done. I'm going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I have half a cup of sour cream, and I have a tablespoon of garlic powder. So you can add in any kind of extras that you want for this mashed cauliflower. It is really so good if you're looking for a substitute to mashed potatoes, something that's really yummy and low carb. This mashed cauliflower is really so good. So I'm going to use my immersion blender, and I'm going to start slow because I don't want it to splash up at all, but I'm going to press down and blend up these little pieces of cauliflower, and it will look and taste pretty close to mashed potatoes. And so like I said, you can add all kinds of different things. You can add cream cheese, but I love sour cream and heavy whipping cream. You can add regular cheese. You can add bacon bits to this. It makes it so good to make like a loaded mashed cauliflower really, really yummy. All right, so my keto chicken parmesan and my mashed cauliflower is all done. I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers. I love these meal prep containers. If you've been around my channel, you know I've been using them forever, like for years. They are really wonderful. I got them on Amazon, really, really great quality. So I will link them in the description box because they are the best for portioning out my lunches for the week. So I'm gonna add in my chicken and my mashed cauliflower, and then this meal is organized, healthy, it is ready to go. So I absolutely love that. So I'm gonna portion everything out. I have some dried chives, so I'm gonna add these on top of my cauliflower mashed potatoes. They are so, so good. So I made cauliflower mashed potatoes one time and took them to a dinner that we were going to, and a couple people did not even know the difference. It is so crazy. I mean, you add all the goodies in there and it is definitely hard to tell the difference. So they are so good and so healthy and really easy too to make. So this meal prep is ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and check out my lunch meal prep playlist. I'll have it up here on the side. And I hope that you have a really great rest of your weekend. Don't forget, every Saturday is lunch meal prep day. So make sure you check back every weekend. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.